The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome introduces a refined blend of luxury, technology, and touring comfort, setting a new benchmark in premium recreational vehicles. Designed for travelers who demand sophistication on the road, this model enhances the classic motorhome concept with modern German engineering and a focus on long-distance convenience. Its striking exterior styling, marked by smooth aerodynamic lines and LED lighting signatures, gives it a commanding yet elegant presence suitable for highways, mountains, and countryside routes alike. Built on Mercedes' latest reinforced chassis, the motorhome delivers a smooth and stable ride even at higher touring speeds. The improved suspension system absorbs road imperfections effectively, ensuring comfort on long journeys. Its new generation diesel hybrid powertrain increases fuel efficiency while offering powerful torque for steep climbs or towing tasks. The optimized drivetrain also reduces engine noise, making the cabin noticeably quieter and more relaxing. Inside, the 2026 model showcases Mercedes' premium design DNA with a living space that feels more like a boutique suite than a vehicle interior. High-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and elegant ambient lighting create a calming atmosphere. The spacious layout features a convertible lounge area, ergonomic seating, and a full-function dining section. Every detail is crafted to provide home-like comfort, whether you're spending a weekend away or embarking on a long adventure. The kitchen area has been upgraded with modern appliances, including an induction stove, convection microwave oven, and a high-efficiency refrigerator. Sleek cabinets with improved storage capacity allow travelers to carry all the essentials without clutter. The layout is both practical and stylish, giving users the feel of a contemporary compact kitchen. Mercedes has clearly prioritized convenience while maintaining premium aesthetics. Sleeping arrangements in the 2026 motorhome have also been enhanced. The primary sleeping zone includes a plush memory foam mattress, climate control vents, and intuitive lighting options that adapt to reading or resting needs. The motorhome also offers optional pop-up sleeping compartments for additional guests. With well-insulated walls and noise reduction technology, nights inside feel quiet and restful. The bathroom area is surprisingly spacious, featuring a separate shower chamber, improved water pressure, and updated eco-efficient fixtures. Mercedes includes enhanced ventilation and moisture control systems to keep the space fresh even after extended use. Practical touches like heated mirrors and soft close cabinets contribute to the overall luxury experience. On the technology front, the 2026 motorhome integrates the latest Mercedes MBUX system, offering full voice control, smartphone integration, and a large high-resolution infotainment display. Navigation is optimized for RV travel, automatically selecting suitable roads and calculating safe routes. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and satellite connectivity keep travelers connected everywhere they go. Safety remains a major highlight in this model, with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and trailer stability control. Mercedes has also added a 360-degree camera system to help with parking and tight maneuvers. These systems work seamlessly in the background, ensuring safety without compromising the fun of the journey. Storage capacity in the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome has been further optimized with deeper underfloor compartments and redesigned exterior access points. This allows users to carry camping gear, bikes, tools, or personal items without sacrificing interior space. The centralized monitoring panel tracks water levels, battery health, and temperature settings with ease, making campsite management effortless. Driving the 2026 motorhome feels more like handling a luxury SUV than a large RV. Mercedes' improved steering responsiveness and noise insulation contribute to a refined road experience. Whether cruising on highways or navigating narrow village roads, the vehicle feels stable and composed. Its hybrid power delivery offers quick acceleration when needed while maintaining efficiency during long-distance cruising. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome offers an exceptional combination of comfort, innovation, and premium craftsmanship. It feels tailored to modern travelers who value both mobility and luxury. With its refined interiors, intelligent features, and reliable performance, it stands out as one of the most appealing motorhomes in its category for the 2026 model year.